All right, everybody, another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm out here in the southeast of Henderson in a community called Black Mountain. So we just got done touring this Glenbrook. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out this model, I think it's a pretty nice model. So go ahead and check it out. So real quick, kind of get you updated with this community. So this neighborhood is Black Mountain Ranch. Consists of 24 different models to pick and choose from, 6 different communities. Square footage is anywhere from 1,200 all the way up to 3,300 square feet. Now this is a builder, well, these homes are actually built by Lennar. What you'll notice is that this home does come with solar panels too as well, included into the price. Now this model is very interesting. This is a single story model, which is the Mitchell, and is a 3 bedrooms, 3 bath that is 1,760 square feet. I know you guys like that next gen, you know, mother-in-law suite. So this actually has it on the single story. So it's a cute little home. So we're going to take a look at this thing together. Now you're probably wondering, what is the base price on here? Now real quick with Lennar, a lot of things that you do see with this home builder, you do get, I'm going to say probably about 95% of the things. Now this home right here, the base price is $450,990. So let's take a look at this. We got the terracotta paver stones. You got your trowel texture. Now, when it comes to texture, this is not like your best texture. A lot of builders typically use this type of texture because it's very easy to hide the blemishes and the walls do not have to be perfectly straight. So on this one, as you can see, we do have the solar panels here. The power for the solar panels, coax cable, and also your D-mark for all your cable, Cat 6, Wi-Fi, whatever is all connected through here, goes directly into your home. Here is the main power box. Now a couple things I do want to show you, just to be aware. What we have right here, boom, this is something that you definitely need to focus on. Just a quick tip, sewage camera done by Focus Plumbing and the time. So basically what happens is once they run your plumbing, they should be coming back out here to send the camera down through your drain line, through your gray line to make sure it is not clogged. Now, also I had a client contact me on a new home build that he was getting water flow back up to his property after moving into the property a few years ago. And basically I said, contact your home warranty company. Come to find out, what had happened was, in a lot of these homes now, you need to find out where your main sewage line is. Sometimes these sewage lines may have a backflow, so that way water doesn't run back. However, and I always tell my clients this, do not use those damn wipes. They're not biodegradable. So as those flaps are coming up and down, those flaps are actually clogging it, right? And basically he was having water going back into his home. Cost him thousands of dollars. But that's a learning lesson, guys. I would not use that. You're going to run into some problems, okay? The pressure breaker valve here for your sprinkler system, make sure to get that covered, especially right now. You can see the sun exposing on this, so you're going to get a lot of wear and tear on this, especially this gasket right here. This manifold will cost you about $350, okay? All right, let's work our way inside. And also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because this is the only channel that's going to tell you how it is, because we definitely want to earn your business. Right off the pop outs here, we do have some LED lights, which is really nice at night. Looks like we do have some ceramic tile. Now you have ceramic tile and also shingles, clay tiles too as well, so that's something that you want to take a look at. Also, a quick tip, you want to see what or how many mils is the felt underneath. The thicker the mils, the better it is, okay? On this one is a little bit unique. You do have your side entry here. I prefer not to have a side entry just due to the fact that if you're walking down this long hallway, somebody could be hiding out. But that's my personal preference because it's all about safety. The position of your home too as well. Is your main home backed up on a main community or a main easement where somebody can actually hop your wall? So that's something that I actually take a look at. So just keep that in mind, okay? Now these are all the things that I really look at when I actually purchase a home. Here we do have the side gates here that take you out to the back. Now this is actually very unique. You have two entry points here. Here's to the main house for the Mitchell. Here's also the casita or the next gen. But we're gonna focus on just coming through the main home here. You get the Ring doorbell and also the Yale digital lock. Okay, so now that we are in, a couple things that I noticed. You have the luxury laminate flooring. These are, I'm gonna say, 4 feet planks, 4x8s, okay? As you can see, it is pretty dark. So when you are picking out your flooring, make sure to take it outside and put a couple of these planks together before you make your decision at the design studio, because it looks very light when you have one panel, but when you start adding it all together, it could look very dark. Now, this home is like very long. The primary here is in the back. On this one, they definitely did the upgrades on the white shaker cabinets, full overlays with the hand pulls. That will be an additional charge, and also with the countertops. Got the undermounted sink, and we have our GE dishwasher. This is not your top of the line, top of the grade. Additional subway backsplash. And I do love the setting on here. The only thing about these grout lines here is never going to be straight because of the type of backsplash, the tile. Looks like you have a 3-inch crown too as well. Refrigerator. You got the skip trowel texture, straight edge on the cornering. We have a 6 foot. Well, you know what? I don't even believe this is a 6 feet. It doesn't even feel like a 6 feet slide. So this really, I'm going to count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this is like a narrow 4 foot slider. Unfortunately, we can't come out to the back here because the back is locked. But this gives you a general idea. Your setback to the main retaining wall here is probably a good 15 feet, or maybe a little bit slightly bigger than that. Let's take a look at this primary. We got a king size bed, 9 foot ceilings, which is really nice on this single story. That's another thing, that on a single story home, you want to make sure it's a 9 foot ceiling, so that way things look a little bit more open. Coming into the primary bathroom, you got the 12x24 on the tile. I can tell you the tiles are not sealed. However, you do have some options with depending on the builder. Tub shower combo fiberglass, all one piece. You've got 1/4 inch on the glass. These glasses are very flimsy. It's not the best. However, you know what? I'm going to consider this more of a starter home. I think it is completely fine for the price that you are paying. You got your walk-in closet. It is probably about 9 feet by 6 feet, maybe, which is a pretty decent size. Let's take a look at the bathroom here, or the vanity. 36s on the vanity, and nice Corian countertops. Now, this is actually one-piece countertops. These are just manufactured. They do bulk deals on here, which you'll notice with this builder. Now, with this builder here, especially at this price point, you're not going to get all the top grade level stuff, right? This is just more, I don't want to use this word because it maybe sounds a little bit harsh. Generic, if y'all know what generic means. That's back in the days, you know, back in the 90s when we used to skateboard and rollerblade. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about, right? But you're definitely going to show your true age. Okay, so looks like your main dining or your formal dining room would be here, which is not bad. The good news is that you have this Traverse LED light. I definitely would probably hang a chandelier. But one thing that I would like to see more of is some LED lights, because it is a little bit dark in here. Does come with the blinds. You have the dual pane windows with the vinyl blinds. On this one, we have the alarm system. Now, these alarm systems here are not wired in. These are wireless. Now, keep in mind, this black centerpiece right here is a gasket. These gaskets, they can literally start to peel off. Now, when they start coming out, it's not a big deal, but you're going to get that, right, with the sun exposure, especially out here in Las Vegas. The problem is once the seal is broken, you start to have condensation in here, then you're going to have a problem. So make sure to check the warranties on your glass. Now, the warranties are not directly through the builder, it's directly through the manufacturer. However, the builder will probably have to come out and re-stucco and do all that stuff. They'll do that for you. Typically, that's how it works. Foundation on here, I believe it's a post-tension slab. Everybody's doing post-tension slab now. Obviously, that was the pantry. Thermostat, sunrise. So in the main house here, okay, we have 2 bedrooms. Here's the 2-car garage. Now in this bedroom, it's a little bit dark, so you definitely need to do some upgrading on the lighting. Just due to the fact that it's a single story, you have 2 stories on both sides, and we have this high 20-foot retaining wall in the back. So there's really no sun really hitting the home. However, it is good as far as heat resistance, right? It's going to save your power bill. So that's something that I want you to take in consideration. However, the downfall is there's no light, so you definitely need to add can lighting. Here is the bathroom here. Now this is a little bit unique because this bathroom actually has another door that comes to the main living. So basically your guest is going to share this bathroom with whoever stays in this bedroom. Again, nice high overlay cabinets, white shaker cabinets, 36 inches. Again, under-mounted sink. You got the Moen faucet. You got the window or the mirror here. Tub shower combo. Typically, this is the Aqua. Okay, tub shower combo. Now, a lot of this stuff that we're going to be doing the tour on all these homes, you're going to see it's all pretty much the same material. The only thing that's going to be different is the layout, you know, the color of the walls and stuff like that. Now, one thing that I see as I'm coming inside this laundry room, you can do definitely the upgrade on the cabinets, and I believe you can do a sink here too as well. Washer and dryer not included. However, let's take a look here. We have a nice 48-inch smart panel box, which gives us ample room. I'm not going to open that. However, you do have a Smurf tube here, which is really nice because once you have too much equipment in here, you can actually feed the wire down into here, right? However, one thing I want you to check is that how much outlets do you have? Because you may have a bunch of systems. Now you have a bunch of plugs into one outlet and it just doesn't look clean. Also with these systems right here, they actually have holes in the inside where you have mounting brackets where you can bracket your router and all that cool stuff, okay? Now down here, let's pan up real quick. So your attic access is right here. Your filters are right here. I think these are 20 by 20s. Let's see here. Yep, 20 by 20s. You're going to need 2 of them. You have your 2-car garage here. Now, this door typically will be shut. What's nice about this, you can just cap this off and drywall this and rent this whole section out if you wanted to. Okay, so I think that's cool. But we're just going to cut through here. And let me show you the entry. So here's the entry. Okay, so imagine this door is closed. So as you walk in, you have your bedroom. This is a queen size bed. Now this bedroom is a little bit longer, right? Again, there's no light, so something I would upgrade. You do have the pre-wire here, that J-box, which is really nice. You have a 6-panel door. It's not a solid door. Now you also have another door here. So you just have doors galore for this bedroom. Off to the left, we have the double stack. Typically, these are actually included with the next gen with Lennar, so that's what I like about them. Here we have the 3/4 bath, fiberglass, okay? And you also have a nice little bench seat right there, so that way you can shave your legs. I do that from time to time, especially when the summer is about to hit, so that way my legs look nice and clean. We also have another thermostat here, but one thing that you need to identify is this actually 2 different condensers, 2 different systems. Typically it's not. However, so if mom and dad is pumping this thing up for, you know, 80 degrees because they want to be hotter, and here you're dropping the temperature down, it's not going to work that way. So that's the reason why you need to identify, is it 1 or 2 condensers, okay? So when it comes to the next gen suite, what you'll see, there's not a dishwasher here or a stove, because this is not permitted for a multi-dwelling. So it's just something to keep in mind. That's the reason why they put that crock pot right there, and also a microwave. However, this is not bad. You could probably rent this out for about $800 a month to absorb some of your mortgage, right? So just something to keep in mind. I think that's pretty cool. Now guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys want additional information on this property, and also if you guys want to know what the incentives are, give me a call or shoot us an email, and we'll get you all the information that you need pertaining to this community. Also, don't forget to tune in to the LV Home Experts podcast every Wednesday, and it's live at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? All right, guys. Oh, one more thing. If you guys have not, give me a thumbs up, and also like, oh, actually, a thumbs up is a like. Subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, we definitely would love to earn your business. And don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. All right, guys, be blessed. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.